Okay, here we are with an instructional video specially for Robin on how to import scans into Visio and turn them into line drawings. So I've had a few issues with my screen recorder, so we're going to try and carve this up into smaller chunks. So this is going to be chapter 1, which will be introduced by my daughter, who's also with us.
Hello.
Chapter 1?
Oh yeah. Chapter 1, jazz hands.
Chapter 1, jazz hands. All right.
You don't do jazz hands.
I don't say jazz hands.
No, this guy doesn't do the jazz hands.
Robin doesn't do the jazz hands.
No.
Fine. All right, anyway, so let's create a new drawing. So we'll do file, new. We're going to do a blank drawing. And here in Australia, we like metric units, so we'll do that. And I think by default, we get an A4 sheet. So if we go to design, play with the sizes.
Hey.
Can you stop the cat destroying the furniture, Isabel? Thank you. All right. So we're going to do a predefined size. I'm going to do a 3. Robin can do a 2 if he prefers. And you can see that Visio understands that the printer has got A4 sheets in it. And so the page will be chopped up into 2 and a bit A4 sheets when it goes to print. Check the drawing scale. We want 1:1. And we also want to make sure the measurement units are correct at millimeters. So we hit OK, and that gets us our sheet of paper. So while we're here, what we'll do is we'll insert picture and pick up one of those scans. We'll take the tank. Now we like JPEG scans because you can see it comes in at full size, which is good. Now, if I could read the ruler marks on this scan, we could also draw a line between a couple of them and just check the length, but we're not going to do that. We're going to cross our fingers. Now, what I want to do with this scan as well is I'm just going to crop it right down to just show us the image that we like. I'm also going to import the PDF, but I'm going to stop the video because the screen recorder hates when I do that. So we're going to start that up again in chapter 2.